Good morning, crafty friends. I have a project share for you today. This is for craftycity.com, and Archana is the owner, and she sent me this beautiful kit that is called the Capri kit. And the paper is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to check out the video, I will put that link down below, but it goes through everything that we have in here. But as we know, she sent me the Capri 8x8, the journaling note cards. She also sent me a memory hardware tiny album, and this one is 4x4, but actually the cover of the album is 4¼ by 4¼ So just wanted to let you know about that. And she also sent me 2 packages of flowers, and she also sent me the 23-piece Capri ephemera that has a gold foil shimmer in there, as well as a gold foil shimmer chipboard sticker. So I've used quite a bit of this, but I have more projects coming up using this collection because you know I live by the ocean. So hey, why not? I'm just going to go ahead and keep on creating stuff for my house. And also I'm joining in with a swap for a friend. So actually not a swap, it's a challenge with Debbie Adams. So let me show you this little album. It is so stinking cute. So first of all, I used a few of my own little dies. So any of the word dies were the Tim Holtz Vacation word dies, as well as the Spellbinder's Window. And I thought it'd be really cute to take one of the ephemera cards and cut it up, and so it looks like there's a little window there, and this says Getaway. And of course I added little flowers that she sent me and everything. A lot of the little pieces that I cut out here are from the paper collection. Here is another word, photos, and I love this little rhinestone that she gave me. She gave me 2 different colors. These are really cute. I love the little beads on here. And here is the back. So really simple, super cute. Now we know that this is a chipboard album, so I wanted to add a little more real estate. So I'll show you what I did. In here I used a lot of the ephemera pieces. I love the journaling cards. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So a lot of these vintage pieces are my favorite. I love this pure olive oil. Oops, sorry. And then we have a little card right here for Capri. And these little shells were also my own. I forgot to add that in there. But here we have the little foil paper. This came from my wonderful friend. So in case you're interested in buying this, this is the rose gold foil paper from Michaels. And Tiffany sent it to me. So all I did was add this little twisty tie, or I call it an envelope tie is really what I call it. And then you can just add your photos right here, and you could probably put some really tiny ones or journal or whatever you want to do. And then all you got to do is just add it back in there. Actually, I call it a policy envelope. That's the best word to put it. Here's one of the chipboard pieces, and I thought this would be great for, you know, it's enough weight to keep this down so you don't need a magnet. So you have tourist here, and then you can add 2 little 4x4 photos right there. And then again, you could add a little smaller photo right here. And then you have some journaling note cards. You could even add the photos to the back of the journaling note cards as well. That's completely up to you. You know, you just want to add more real estate, that's all you have to do. This is great for a friend that you're going on a cruise with. You could give this to her or him as a gift. I think they would love it. And I'm sorry about all this little glue stuff. Okay. And then I really love this. I thought the world map was really cool. You got a traveler right here. And then again, I have the little butterfly chipboard piece there to, again, hold it down into place. And that worked really well. Again, another chipboard piece. And we have the word paradise. And then again, you can just put a 4x4 photo here. So it's really quite simple. You have your little journaling tags again. Discover what makes your heart beat faster. I think this one had another one on it too. Let's travel together and get lost in beautiful places. I certainly live in a beautiful place. Vero Beach is just gorgeous, and it's what I call ocean countryside, because this is a small little town. This is really cute. Up in the clouds on my way to unknown things. Love that. So I add another tuck spot. You can do another photo. And again, these little pieces right here are from Prima too, but they were not from the kit. But I just want to let you know, these are from a past kit that she sent me. And I always try to use stuff that I've received from other kits into my projects from her. So again, we have the Capri here. And again, this is just a lift up. I love this little vintage post stamp chipboard sticker. Really cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little album. Definitely check out our Archana store to pick up this kit. It's craftycity.com. I'll have all the links below. And also you can join her Facebook group, Shabby Paper Hub. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful and fabulous day. And next, I will be creating a index card with this collection. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop using it. I mean, I'm obsessed. Anyway, talk to y'all later. Bye.